Have you ever stopped to think about what's actually going on inside the trillions of tiny units that make you, well, you? Today, we're going on an exclusive tour of one of those units. We are journeying deep inside a cell to explore the very machinery of life. So are you ready? Let's dive right in. Now, to really understand how a cell works, I want you to imagine it's a tiny, bustling city. इस छोटे से शहर की अपनी फैक्ट्रीज हैं, इसके अपने रोड्स हैं, एक पूरा ट्रांसपोर्ट नेटवर्क है, और हाँ, एक सिटी हॉल भी है जो सब कुछ कंट्रोल करता है. So let's get ready, because we're about to explore this incredible microscopic world. Our tour today is going to cover 3 main districts inside our cell city. First, we'll explore the city's overall environment, the cytoplasm. After that, we'll visit the City Hall, which is the main control center, the nucleus. And finally, we'll take a look at the city's internal framework, its infrastructure, known as the cytoskeleton. Okay, so our very first stop is the world inside the cell membrane. You can think of it as the ground, the air, and just the general hustle and bustle of our city. This entire environment is called the cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm exactly? Well, as the definition says, it's the jelly-like substance that fills the whole cell. आसान लफ्ज़ों में सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर और न्यूक्लियस के बाहर जो कुछ भी है वो सब साइटोप्लाज्म है. This is the main arena where almost all of the cell's important activities take place. Now, it's really important not to think of cytoplasm as just some empty filler. It's an incredibly active and crucial part of the cell. बहुत से important chemical reactions, जैसे कि glycolysis, just mean sugar टूटकर energy बनती है, वो यहाँ होते हैं. सारे organelles इसी के through move करते हैं. और हाँ, this is also where the cell stores food and waste. It's a super busy hub.
Okay, this is a point that often gets confusing. What's the difference between cytoplasm and cytosol? Let's make this super clear with a simple example. Imagine cytoplasm is a bowl of fruit jelly. तो जो सिर्फ jelly वाला हिस्सा है, the liquid part, that's the cytosol. और जब आप उसमें fruit chunks यानी कि organelles डाल देते हैं, तो वो पूरी चीज़ cytoplasm बन जाती है. So just remember, cytosol is just the liquid, but cytoplasm is the liquid plus everything floating inside it.
All right, moving on from the general environment of the cell, let's head over to the most important building in our entire cell city. We've just arrived at the main office, the headquarters, the command center, the nucleus. The nucleus is often called the control center of the cell. Or इसी control center इसलिए कहते हैं because it holds the master blueprint for everything, the DNA. From here, it directs all of the cell's activities, from growing and making proteins to cell division. It really is the brain of the whole operation. Let's take a little peek inside, shall we? This diagram here shows all the key parts of the nucleus. Think of it like the architectural plan for our city hall. We're going to use this plan as our map to explore each and every section.
What's so amazing is just how organized this control center is. The nuclear envelope is like a high-security, double-layered wall. The nuclear pores are like guarded gates, carefully controlling what comes in and what goes out. Inside, you'll find the nucleolus. ये basically ribosome बनाने की factory है. And ribosomes are the cell's protein-making machines. And finally, all that stringy material you see, that's chromatin, which is the vital mix of DNA and proteins that holds all our genetic information.
So check out this incredible transformation. Normally, chromatin is like a huge, tangled mess of thread. लेकिन जब cell को divide करना होता है, it needs to copy its DNA perfectly. To manage this, the chromatin condenses, coiling up super tightly to form these neat, X-shaped structures that we call chromosomes. This is how the cell brilliantly organizes its massive amount of genetic data to make sure a perfect copy is made every single time. Okay, for the final stop on our tour, we're going to look at what holds our entire cell city together. जैसे हर शहर को एक proper structure की ज़रूरत होती है, buildings, roads, bridges, well, the cell has its very own version, the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton, as you can see, is a complex network of protein filaments that spreads throughout the cytoplasm. ये cell का skeleton भी है और इसके muscles भी हैं. It gives the cell its shape, provides support, and even helps it move around, just like the steel beams and roadways of our cell city give it structure and function. So let's break down its structure. The skeletal system is mainly built from 3 types of filaments. First up, we have microtubules, which are made of tubulin protein. ये cell के highways हैं, a whole transport system for moving organelles. Second, we have microfilaments made of actin protein. These are mainly involved in cell movement. And third, we have intermediate filaments made of tough proteins like keratin. ये सेल को structural strength देते हैं, just like steel cables in a bridge, holding everything firmly together.
All right, that was our grand tour. I hope you feel like an expert on the inner workings of a cell now. Let's do a quick knowledge check to see what you've learned. Ready? Okay, first question for you. The liquid part of the cytoplasm that contains molecules and small particles is called, and the correct answer is B, cytosol. याद है ना? साइटोसॉल सिर्फ लिक्विड हिस्सा है, जबकि साइटोप्लाज्म उस लिक्विड और उसके अंदर मौजूद सारी चीज़ों को मिलाकर कहते हैं. Question number 2. Which structure in the nucleus is responsible for assembling ribosomes? The answer here is C, nucleolus. बिल्कुल सही, the nucleolus is that special factory inside the nucleus जहाँ protein-making machines, यानी ribosomes, को बनाया जाता है.
And for our final question, microtubules are made of which type of protein? The correct choice here is B, tubulin. Remember, actin makes microfilaments, and keratin is the main component of intermediate filaments. Great job on that.
Excellent work, everyone. Now, before we finish up, let's just quickly summarize the 3 key players that run our amazing cell city. So, the main takeaway is to remember their roles. The cytoplasm is the active environment, the city ground where all the work gets done. The nucleus is the double-walled brain, or city hall, controlling absolutely everything. And the cytoskeleton is the internal network, the city's framework that gives it shape, support, and a way to move. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. But I'll leave you with this one thought. We've called the nucleus the city hall, but what about the others? If this cell really is a city, what real-world job titles would you give to the cytoplasm and the individual parts of the cytoskeleton? Think about it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.